On the last night before the cross, Jesus sat down for a final meal with the 12 men closest to him, knowing one of them would sell him out before sunrise and the rest would run. And instead of anger, he gave them love. Watch this. In Luke chapter 22, Jesus tells his disciples, "I have eagerly desired to eat this Passover with you before I suffer." Eagerly desired. He knew the betrayal was coming. He knew the whip, the nails, the cross were hours away, and still his heart was set on being with his people. They're gathered in an upstairs room to celebrate Passover, the meal that remembered how God delivered Israel from slavery with the blood of a lamb. But on this night, Jesus is about to reveal that he is the lamb the whole thing was pointing to. And before the meal, John chapter 13 tells us Jesus does something stunning. He takes off his outer garment, wraps a towel around his waist, gets down on the floor, and washes the disciples' feet, the job of the lowest servant in the house. The King of Glory on his knees, washing the dirt off fishermen's feet. And here's the part that wrecks me. He washed Judas's feet too. He served the very man who was already planning to betray him. Then Jesus takes the bread. He gives thanks, breaks it, and says these words in Luke 22, verse 19. "This is my body, which is given for you. Do this in remembrance of me." Then he takes the cup and says, "This cup is the new covenant in my blood, which is poured out for you." That broken bread was a picture of his body about to be broken. That cup was a picture of his blood about to be shed. He was telling them, my death is not an accident, it's a gift. And in the middle of that holy moment, Jesus says something that hushes the room. "One of you will betray me." Not a stranger, a friend, someone dipping bread in the same bowl, and yet Jesus doesn't expose him with rage. He keeps offering grace right up to the very end. Then he gives them a new command. John 13:34. "A new commandment I give to you, that you love one another. As I have loved you, so you must love one another." On the night he was betrayed, his instruction wasn't protect yourselves. It was love each other the way I have loved you. Now hear me, church. Everything about that table is an invitation. The bread and the cup aren't just a ritual. They're a person saying, I gave my body and my blood for you. And if he knelt and washed Judas's feet, there is no one so far gone that grace can't reach them. Not your neighbor, not your enemy, not you. The same Jesus who broke the bread that night is still offering himself to you today. He's still serving. He's still saving. He's still setting a place at the table with your name on it. If you're grateful for the body and the blood that were given for you, comment "Remember Him" down below as a prayer of thanks. And follow Bible Blueprint Studios, because the next story is already on its way. God bless you. Come to the table. Thanks for watching today's video, and please like, follow, and subscribe as we keep building a clearer understanding of God's Word, one Bible story at a time.